Welcome back, class 10, your history class, continuing with the non-cooperation movement of 1920. Today, we'll start off by studying the spread and success of the non-cooperation movement. The non-cooperation movement evoked, that means gave an impetus, started a hearty response, a very good response throughout the country. All over the country, the response was very good. The first elections under the Act of 1919 were held in October 1920. First elections were held in 1920. All Congress candidates had withdrawn from the contest. Everyone withdrawn from the contest because they were non-cooperating. The lawyers who gave up their practice, lot of lawyers gave up their practice. Eminent persons are C.R. Das, that means Chittaranjan Das, Motilal Nehru, Rajendra Prasad. They all gave up their practice. They stopped practicing law. Lakhs of spinning wheels were distributed. Spinning wheels were distributed to popularize hand-woven clothes. To make hand-woven, handmade clothes popular, lot of spinning wheels were distributed. Students left educational institute owned by or aided by government. Students started leaving government aided or government owned educational institutes. It was at this time when institutes like Jamia Millia and Kashi Vidyapeeth were started. During this period where students started leaving the government school, institutes like or schools like Jamia Millia and Kashi Vidyapeeth, they started erupting. The Prince of Wales visited India in 1921. On the day he landed in Bombay on November 17th it was, the city observed complete hartal, complete bandh, the city observed. Wherever he went, he was greeted with hartal and demonstrations. Wherever Prince of Wales went, there was hartal and demonstration. Lala Lajpat Rai, Motilal Nehru, Jawaharlal Nehru, and many other prominent leaders were arrested. Who had been arrested before the end of the year. Gandhiji, however, was not in jail. So Jawaharlal Nehru, Motilal Nehru, Lala Lajpat Rai, they were all arrested. But Gandhiji was not arrested. Now, this was going on. So non-cooperation movement was going on. Now, an incident happened, which is known as the Chauri Chaura incident. For a year or two, 2021 till January 22. The movement raged fiercely. The movement was starting and it was raging, it was spreading with full vitality all over the country. On 5th February 1922, a fight took place at Chauri Chaura. At Chauri Chaura, the fight took place. A small town in the district of Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh. In UP, small town there is known as Gorakhpur, and in Gorakhpur there is a place known as Chauri Chaura. What happened? A police officer had beaten some volunteers. Who were picketing a liquor shop. What is picketing? Picketing means sitting in front of any shop, not letting anyone get in the shop. So a group of people were sitting or picketing in front of a liquor shop. That means wine shop, whiskey shop. So that group was beaten up very badly by a police officer. A whole crowd of peasants means farmers, had gathered there, went to the police station. The mob, that means a group of people who went to the police station, set fire to the police station, and some 22 policemen inside. 22 policemen were inside the police station. So the mob gathered and set fire to the police station. Gandhi was greatly shocked at such a turn of events. Gandhiji was very shocked, very hurt. He realized the country was not yet ready for non-violent struggle. So what did he realize? He realized that India was not really ready for such a non-violent protest. So moreover, such incidents could spread to other regions as well. And he also realized that if this type of incident is not discouraged, it can spread to other regions of the country. So, what was the result of this? Suspension of the non-cooperation movement. Non-cooperation movement was stopped, suspended. Mahatma Gandhi suspended the law-making part of the movement and asked the congressmen to give all attention to the constructive program. Breaking the law, that part of the movement was suspended, but the constructive program movement of the program was there. So, what was the constructive movement? Number one, removal of untouchability, Hindu-Muslim. Number two is Hindu-Muslim unity. And number three is use of hand-woven clothes. Now, on March 10th, 1922, Gandhiji was arrested for propagation of sedition. Sedition means an act where a person goes against the country. He was sentenced to 6 years imprisonment. Gandhi was released after 2 years because of failing health, because he was due to ill health. After 2 years, he was in jail for 2 years. After that, he was released. The suspension of the movement gave a great dissatisfaction to many congressmen. When the movement has picked up, all of a sudden, if you stop the movement, a lot of people, a lot of congressmen were not very happy at this decision. And unhappy congressmen were C.R. Das, Chittaranjan Das was very unhappy. Motilal Nehru was also unhappy, and they protested against the resolution of the working committee. Subhash Chandra was extremely unhappy. He said it's a national calamity. And Jawaharlal also felt the movement should not have been suspended simply because some poor peasants had misbehaved. Yes, Jawaharlal said just because a group of peasants, group of farmers has misbehaved, you cannot suspend a nationwide movement. Anyway, it was suspended. So, what was the impact or result of the movement? Now, freedom was still far off, and the government was as irresponsive as before. The government did not respond about anything. The wrongs done to the people of Punjab was not righted. Whatever wrong was done for the people of Punjab has not been corrected or rectified. Neither was the Khilafat movement questions resolved. Khilafat movement demand was not resolved. Yet it would be wrong to say that the movement was a failure. Yet we cannot say that the movement was a failure. The gains of the movement may be described as I say, go on saying. First gain is the movement provided a great national base for Congress organization. It created the base. How? In fact, the non-cooperation on a mass scale was first practiced in 1920 to 1921. Gandhi evolved a program which could mobilize the masses, mobilize means use the masses in national movement. All sections of the societies were involved. It included peasants, that means farmers, workers, lawyers, students, moneyed class, women, oppressed class could now actively participate in the movement for freedom of India. People of all castes, creeds and religion proclaimed Gandhi as their leader. Now what happened was, this is for the first time, all the sections, people from all the sections, whether higher, educated, uneducated, men, women, lawyers, doctors, everybody participated and they were free to participate. So this particular movement made Gandhiji the hero of the nation. Second was, the movement undermined the power and prestige of the government of British government. Undermined, lessened. How? It could create an anti-British feeling in the country. There was total loss of faith in the present system of the government. The people wanted to get rid of the rulers. The British officials were now nervous and a bit shaky. So it was such a huge response was there in the movement. So the British government was a bit shaky. Yeah, they were a little shaky. They did not. They understood that if the movement picked up momentum, it would be very difficult for them to continue. Number 3, repression failed to crush the spirit and the courage of the people. Repression means the repressive policy, torture of the Britishers. The movement made the people bold and patriotic. People became very bold. They were not at all now afraid of the tortures of the Britishers. People became very bold and very patriotic. They courted arrest and faced police brutalities with a smile. They welcomed arrest and all sorts of police brutality, police torture, they faced with a smile. Gandhi was determined, number 4 is done. Gandhi was determined to emancipate poor and the oppressed. The removal of the poor and the oppressed. How? Removal of untouchability, promotion of khadi cloth became the essential tools of Gandhi in his struggle against the British rule. These are the tools: removal of untouchability and propagation of khadi. People took charkas, hand woven machines, domestic spinning wheels, as we say. Charkas are domestic spinning wheels in a big way. Message of Swadeshi spread quickly everywhere. These are regarded as very, very positive achievements. Now, another positive achievement was the Hindu-Muslim unity, at least for the time being. Never before had any movement received the willing support of so many people. Never, ever. The Hindus, the Muslims alike. This is the first time it happened. Short-lived, but it happened. And the last point would be, the weapons of Satyagraha and non-cooperation changed the character of Congress overnight. The whole character of Congress was changed. How? The Congress was no longer a deliberative assembly but an organized fighting force pledged to revolution. It was not a, Congress was not a party or a group which only gave lectures or did meeting. It became a very deliberative party. It started delivering results. Jawaharlal Nehru described non-cooperation movement as a peaceful rebellion, a most civilized form of warfare, and yet dangerous to the stability of the state. It was a peaceful warfare, civilized warfare, but it was very dangerous for the state government. It was very dangerous for the stability of the government who is ruling. We are not going on the street fighting against, throwing bombs, throwing arms. No, we are just non-cooperating. If the whole country, if the whole community, if the whole people of the country non-cooperates, does not cooperate with the government in all the spheres, the government will not stay. The government can never stay. So this was the main crux of the non-cooperation movement. So I hope you have understood the whole non-cooperation movement, its significance, impact, Chauri Chaura incident. We'll continue, it's a big chapter. We'll continue with the next Swaraj Party and its work. Till then, study well. Thank you.